Come find out why Orlando Real Estate is cooking at our next Oviedo Food Truck Outdoor Festival event that we are sponsoring.
Coming up now, the last Thursday of the month from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. at our own Oviedo in the Park by the Oviedo Cultural Center.
I'm top Orlando Realtor Scott Garrison.
And I am Realtor Diana Sacoto with ReMax Town & Country, Orlando's #1 real estate company.
This Thursday evening, your next dinner and Orlando Real Estate is on the menu with the Oviedo Food Truck event.
The road will be closed off for your gastronomic delights.
There will be tons, lots, many of food trucks out there so you can get your dinner. There'll be other vendors and there'll be us.
We are sponsoring this event, and I think that the highlight of the festival will be at Scott and my huge ReMax festival tent right here in the center of it all.
We will be hosting an entire food truckish kids activity station, including temporary tattoos for the kids. We'll have cornhole games with our faces on it. And a bubble machine, standing in front of that bubble machine is the best part of the whole event for anyone under 4 years old. They just stand there and let the bubbles hit them till we run out.
And you can take an official event selfie with your family in our festival selfie photo booth.
And you can get your real estate questions answered for free by a real estate veteran who's been helping families buy and sell homes here in Orlando and Oviedo for the past 35 years.
And get free candy for dessert.
That's the best part. Dean Sacoto and I, as realtors, are excited to show our commitment to the city of Oviedo
by personally being one of the few official sponsors of the city of Oviedo for this event.
And for all the outdoor festivals of the city of Oviedo for the coming year as well.
And we can help you sell your home almost as fast as you will get your dinner at our food truck event.
Or we can help you order up a healthy serving of your next Central Florida dream home.
We would love for you to work with us as the realtors you already know.
We might be the obvious choice.
Come out and see us the last Thursday of the month at Oviedo in the Park from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m.
Here for the Oviedo Food Truck event, and find out with us as your realtors why Orlando Real Estate is cooking, why Orlando Real Estate is hot, why at the food truck event Orlando Real Estate is on fire, why the Orlando Real Estate is bubbling like a stew, why buying and selling with us Orlando Real Estate at the food truck event won't get a flat tire, and we won't drive away on you, and we'll truck down the road to your new dream. You get the idea. See you there.